guys, I haven't done a vlog in a hot minute, but yeah, I've been getting to the gym. I just renewed my membership, thank God, because since I went to school, they canceled it. But I now have a membership for the summer again, so I'm going to be going a lot. I've gone like 5 times in the past week or something like that. Okay guys, so I literally got home, made my protein shake, drank it down super fast, and now I have to go to work. I showered, I have to leave in about 25 minutes. Things are hectic, I need to go. Hey guys, just got home from work, and isn't this lighting amazing? I'm trying to plan a bunch of things because my family this summer we're gonna do like weekend trips that are like 2 or 3 days long, and then I'm also planning a trip to Canada with my friend, and she works 5 days a week, and we're probably gonna meet up with my friend in Canada, and he works like every freaking day. I mean, it's all fun things besides work, but it's just stressful getting everything in. But yeah, it's now like 12 something and I need to go to bed. So yeah guys, good night. Isn't it beautiful outside? I love this little corner of our house. We have like lights and flowers and stuff. But this is what I'm having for lunch. I'm having oatmeal with almonds and blueberries. Yeah. What's up vlog? It is now Thursday and the camera is currently set up because I am filming. I just finished filming biggest kissing turn on / kissing do's and don'ts, and I think it's going to be a good video, so make sure to watch that. So I'll link that down below. It's a beautiful day out again. Oh my god, did I just do that? It just felt right. I'm sorry. I didn't even like realize I was doing it. Okay guys, honest opinions, I want them down below. I'm trying to figure out, wow, this lighting is whack. I'm trying to figure out if I should keep my bangs or grow them out. I have like full front bangs. I got them a while ago. It'll be tough to show you because they're just blow dried to the side right now, but like, I guess that's kind of what they look like. Obviously they would look a lot better. Should I keep them or just grow them out? This is one person's opinion, so leave it down below.
The bangs are fucking gorgeous. I love them. You should not grow them out. You should keep them. That's my honest opinion.
And then I continue to tell him, are they banging? Okay guys, if you want to see me be like super hyper and fun and like see me every day, then follow my Snapchat and my Instagram and my Twitter. But I'm just talking about my Snapchat right now.
If you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. If you like making love at midnight.
So yeah, that's how my day is going. Okay guys, update time. I have my hair in this cute little bun. But my camera is almost dead because I filmed 3 videos today. I did kissing, do's and don'ts. I did teaching my mom slang, and I did a video for my senior class, which will be very special. But I'm having just the best freaking day, and I'm just chilling, singing. Good morning guys, it's very early, it's 5 a.m. I've been awake since 4 for some reason, but I'm just sitting at the park watching the sunrise. I woke up with a lot of anxiety, and so I went to my YouTube watch later videos, and I had a bunch of Jess and Gabriel's videos to watch, and it just put me in the best mood. And then I watched their wedding video again for like the 10th time, and I don't know, it just makes me so happy, and I'm just excited for life. This is pure happiness. This is O'Malley. He's a little angel. He doesn't usually sit with me in bed. You are everything. Oh, he's so small. Good guys, say hi O'Malley. But I'm just going to the gym now, and I'm gonna go with my mom. It's 9:30. I'm gonna make my protein shake. Alright, so for the base I have chocolate almond milk, and then for the protein I have chocolate muscle milk, and then I also have peanut butter powder because I love peanut butter, and then 1 banana, and it makes like the best chocolate peanut butter milkshake. Okay, not the best. Obviously it's not as good as a milkshake, but yeah. This would be so much better with like chocolate syrup, but I'm trying not to have much sugar because it's like, I'm obsessed with sugar. But let's give it a try. Pretty darn good. I can do this. Alright fam, just finished my workout and tonight I am cooking a healthy dinner for my family. So I'm just at Safeway and I'm gonna buy some groceries. Got $100. My mom just gave it to me to buy groceries. But yeah, come shop with me. Okay, so we got a bunch of healthy stuff. We got asparagus, green beans, garlic, tomatoes, lemons, and some bananas, just because we need bananas. But what I'm making, I'll put up a picture of the recipe here. It's like a roasted vegetable orzo dish, and it's actually like a surprise for my family, so they don't know what I'm making. But yeah, I'm just doing like a fun surprise healthy dinner, and I'm excited. I haven't cooked in a while. I'm back home eating outside again. I'm so hyped for lunch, but I got some barbecue chicken wings with some like blue cheese dressing, but it's super healthy, made from yogurt. It's only like 30 calories, and then I have watermelon. So yum, I'm starving. Hey guys, so I just showered. I'm gonna bring you a quick little review. Body Blend sent me another product, so thank you so much. This is their coffee and white clay exfoliating capsules. So they're basically face masks, but they come in little individual like pods. So they just look like this, and I really like the idea because you can just throw one or two in your bag if you're traveling. So yeah, you just need to clean your face, which I just did in the shower, and then put this on, and I'll show you with it on, and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off. So here's what it looks like. It's just light gray, like putty. Ooh, and it does smell really good. Kind of smells like a cupcake. What's it called? Vanilla blush. That's actually what it smells like, whatever that even means. It was just the perfect amount. I actually have a little bit extra, and I was pretty generous. So I think you could even stretch each pod to 2 uses. And there's 8 pods in one package. So you could get 16 face masks out of this. And I really like it. It's definitely exfoliating because there's like tiny, tiny beads. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it. This took me literally 20 seconds to put on. I just wait 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off. Okay guys, little outfit of the day with my face mask on still. But I have my favorite high-waisted shorts from Forever 21. Aren't they just the cutest thing ever? And to go with that, I just have like a dusty rose crop top and then just a white lace bralette. Super simple. I'm just gonna cook my dinner tonight, and then we're gonna go to the movies. The mask is done. I just did my makeup, and overall I really like it and recommend it. Honestly, I love the convenience of the small little pods. I think it's really cool. One little serving, put it on your face, you're done. Super fast, easy, smelled good. I approve.
Later that same evening.
What is up? Obviously I'm down in the kitchen. I just washed all of these vegetables, and now I'm going to cut them. Wearing a glove is just a tip, because if you don't, then your hands will smell like garlic for like 2 days. But yeah, this is what I have. All my vegetables and the garlic on top. And then what I'm gonna do is put in some salt, pepper, and olive oil, toss it all together, put it on a baking sheet, throw it in the oven for those to roast. And then it's supposed to be orzo, so like I'm really upset. I went to 2 stores and no one had orzo. So I compromised, and I got like elbow pasta. It's like the smallest one. I'm gonna boil it with some chicken broth to give it some flavor. And then once it's done, I'm going to toss all the vegetables with the warm pasta, and then add salt and pepper. And I have 2 lemons for the lemon juice. So yeah, I think it should be really good. I'll show you the finished product. I lied, I decided I'm gonna add dessert too. I'm gonna do chocolate covered strawberries. If any of you don't know how to properly heat up chocolate so it doesn't burn, because candy burns really easily, you do a pot with boiling water, and then you put a bowl on top of it. And then you put like butter or like half and half in there with chocolate chips, and let it simmer, and then you stir it. So yeah. Is anybody else's mouth watering? Oh my god, just look at that. Don't those look good? And I'm gonna lick that. Hey guys, I'm a horrible YouTuber and forgot to film myself unpackaging something because I know everyone loves watching those, including me. But I got a couple things in the mail. I ordered from American Eagle, but they're shipping them in like a bunch of different orders, which is annoying. But I got a couple accessories, which are what I got today, but I got some really cute shirts. One especially that I'm super excited for. It's like a dusty rose off the shoulder. It's all like flowy. It's too bad I can't show you those, but I'll show you what I got here. Oh my god, these were like $5. They are pool slides, so like they're the material of flip-flops with a velvet bow. And they're so cheap and so comfy, and I know I'm gonna be wearing the heck out of these. These will just complete a lazy outfit. The next thing I really wanted just a plain brown belt. So I ordered like a men's one in a size 32, which is like pretty big. I was expecting to have to like drill a hole way down here, but this is definitely not a 32. I mean 34, because my dad said that's what he is and it doesn't fit him. But it's good news for me because like it fits me and I don't even have to drill another hole. But yeah, it's just plain brown, which will look super cute with jeans, which I wear all the time. And then there's the little American Eagle thing on them. Oh wow, that looks great. I'm so happy the pasta actually turned out really good. And it looks so pretty too. Do you guys like it? Love it.
Love it.
Very good.
Ant-Man was freaking amazing. That's all I have to say. It was so funny. But yeah, I'm going to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning and the fam is out on a hike. Kyle, you're hiding. They're all, oh my god, they're so funny. But yeah, it's just this beautiful forest. And yeah, I'll show you at the bottom. It's like a huge field, super pretty. Hey guys, it is now Sunday. It's like 90 degrees outside. I meant to vlog. It's about 2 o'clock now, but my brother and I went out to XXX, which is like this really cool 50s restaurant. And it's National Ice Cream Day, so I got a ginormous chocolate peanut butter milkshake. It's like my weakness. It's so good. So I'll put in some pictures here, and it was just so yummy, and I had such a good time. And then outside of it, they always have car shows. Today was Camaros, so there were some really cool ones, including like a black and white one with hot pink accents and like color changing lights, and on the inside of the hood was like a mermaid mural that was painted, and oh, it was just gorgeous. But that's it for my weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.